Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you can easily recognize these lines. Generally I prefer to keep my chart clean, but the chart of Euro USD we have got many lines here. Yes, we can remove this one because this trend line is not much of importance to right now. And as you can see that there is a still selling going on in the chart of Euro USD. As we all know that dollar has suddenly became very strong. Okay, became very strong, and dollar is going up, and as a result currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD are selling pressure. In my video on Saturday I clearly mentioned to my viewers that dollar has reached the support here, and we were hoping that dollar would be recovering. To be honest, I also didn't expect that the recovery would be so sharp, but yes, we are witnessing a sharp recovery on US dollar right now. Anyways, uh, right now you can see that Euro USD is trading at 1828 level. This is the current market price here, and yesterday in my video I mentioned that this will be the next support for Euro USD. And you can see that yes, market is trying to take a support here, but to be very honest, this support level is not a strong one, because if you just zoom out the chart here, then you do not find any concrete evidence to consider this 1.1800 as a very strong support here. But somehow market is trying to take a temporary support here, but we do not know how long market will be able to hold the support. Okay, and if you look at the chart of dollar here, US dollar here, and you can see that I have drawn a bullish flag pattern here, because the recovery was so sharp that there till yesterday we had no other option to find out what would be the pattern dollar would be following, or what would be the rhythm of the US dollar. But right now we can see that dollar consolidated a little, dollar is trying to take a risk little, and we can draw a bullish flag pattern here. So as we all know, in the bullish flag pattern, this is the pole of the market, and this is the flag. And as long as market is trading here, we don't need to do anything. But in the bullish flag pattern, there is always a good possibility that market will be breaking the flag here. So therefore, if dollar starts going up again, and yes, looking at the present bullishness and the buying power of the US dollar, there is a possibility that market will be breaking this level. So when market will be breaking this flag, then definitely dollar will become more stronger and Euro USD will be going down. So looking at the present structure, listen to me carefully. Looking at the present structure of US dollar, the bullish flag pattern, there is a good possibility of dollar going up. And whenever dollar will be going up again, then definitely market will not be able to hold this support. Market will not be able to hold this support, and if market crosses or breaks this support level, you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market below this level in case dollar breaks the resistance on the chart. So keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar mainly, because right now everything depends on the chart of US dollar. So whenever dollar will be going up from here, or dollar will be crossing this level, Euro USD will fall and Euro USD will break the support of 1.1800, and you can short the market. You can short the market, and I don't know what will be the next next take profit target for Euro USD. Hopefully, if there is a in case there is a free fall on Euro USD, then the next target would be, I guess, 1.1710. But let's see where the market goes. Uh, just keep in mind there may be a selling on the Euro USD chart, because dollar may get strong right now. Okay, so be careful. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested, just go through the information here and you'll find every necessary details. This is the Pro Trader section on my website. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.